What if I told you the biggest question in enterprise software isn't, which API do I call anymore? Imagine telling a system, show all invoices for Acme Corp since January and flag any late payments. And it just works, without you knowing a single function name. That's the future we're stepping into. Hey everyone, before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to see more practical AI insights for real businesses. For decades, using software meant learning its language. In the 1980s, we typed shell commands like grep or SSH. By the 2000s, we were hitting REST endpoints, and in the 2010s, SDKs abstracted HTTP for us. Every step assumed we would adapt to the machine. But now, large language models are flipping the script. The real question is no longer about functions or endpoints. It's about outcomes. Enter Model Context Protocol, or MCP. MCP lets AI understand human intent, discover capabilities, and orchestrate workflows, all through natural language. For enterprises drowning in too many tools, this is a game changer. Natural language interfaces remove the "which function do I call" barrier. Marketers can now ask for last quarter's revenue data without waiting for analysts to write SQL. Analysts can get summaries, visuals, and insights instantly, turning hours of work into seconds. The shift isn't just UX, it's architectural. Developers move from wiring endpoints to defining capability surfaces and guardrails. Software becomes modular around intent, not function. That also means new roles emerge: ontology engineers, capability architects, and agent specialists. Of course, natural language is ambiguous, so enterprises still need authentication, logging, and governance to prevent errors. But the payoff is huge: faster integration, higher productivity, and AI that actually understands your goals. Enterprise leaders, start thinking of natural language as the interface layer. Map workflows, catalog capabilities, and pilot an MCP-style layer. Let users state what they want and let the system handle the rest. The era of memorizing APIs is ending. The era of stating intent is here. If this excites you, check out the related video in the corner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on how you see AI changing your workflow.